In this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy tennis tickets here to perhaps like a tennis tournament, for instance, through the SeatGeek application. So if you open up SeatGeek, what I want you to do is go to the bottom left, press on the home screen, which I'm on right now, or go beside that and press on the search icon, which I will actually be doing for this example right here. But if you go to the bottom left, for example, and you were to go to browse by category and press on sports, and then slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across tennis, just like this. You can press on tennis, and there's the Cincinnati Open, for example, right here. If you were to change your location to New York City, for example, just like this, you have the US Open as a tennis match, for example. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to buy tennis tickets to like a tennis tournament, for instance, like the US Open, Wimbledon, whatever the case may be, through SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.